Today I'm going to be making baked chicken cutlets. So I have 2 eggs, a pound of chicken cutlets, and this is seasoned breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs. What I'm going to do is beat up the 2 eggs. Great. Now, these cutlets are thin, so they won't take long to make, but to bake in the oven, I should say. So I'm going to dip both sides of the chicken in the egg. And then I'm going to dip it into the breadcrumbs. Okay. And same thing, I just splashed my egg yolk on my counter. Try not to do that. Coat one side, flip it over, and coat the other. And with your fork, just get to the spots where it needs some more. Okay, great, one down. Okay, I'm just gonna pile them up on the side of that plate. And I'm just gonna continue. Dip the cutlet, both sides. And then in the breadcrumbs. And both sides, and it's coating nicely. Now I'm going to bake these, so when I'm finished I'm going to place these in a pan that I've sprayed with cooking spray and place in the oven at 400 degrees. Now if you want to fry these, you can, and that's very simple. You just need to heat up a little oil in a shallow pan, and you can certainly fry both sides, but I find this is healthier, and I still feel like I've had a nice breaded cutlet. So the choice is yours. I'm going to continue to egg and bread all my cutlets. I'm going to serve this with roasted vegetables tonight, so you can certainly check out that video as well if you're interested. Just think I need a little bit more breadcrumbs. Add more breadcrumbs to my plate. Little baby cutlet. Now it's just 2 of us, so a pound of chicken will have leftovers with it, but certainly if you're feeding more people, you may need to make more cutlets, but you'll know how many you need. And just one little piece. Actually, I'm going to throw that out. That's more fat on that than I want to have. So, geez. Okay, so now I have my pan, and I sprayed it with cooking spray, and I'm going to place my cutlets in. You could just spray a cookie sheet, and I've done that many a times. Use a cookie sheet, spray a cookie sheet, and lay out your cutlets that way. Okay, perfect. And place this in the oven at 400 degrees. Just keep an eye on them because they're thin. I think it'll only take about a half an hour to maybe 45 minutes to cook. And when they're brown, they're finished. All right, it's been an hour, and I just pulled the cutlets out. As you can see, I did not flip them. This is the back side of the cutlets. These are the completed chicken cutlets, both sides of them. I did not flip them. They baked for an hour, and it's much healthier baking these cutlets as opposed to frying them. So I hope you enjoy. See you next time.